Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to absorb food better. First, let's talk about chewing. Chewing your food thoroughly is the very first step in digestion, and it's often overlooked. Breaking down food into smaller particles mechanically helps your body extract more nutrients. Aim for at least 20 to 30 chews per mouthful, especially for denser foods. This simple habit significantly aids the digestive process, preparing food for optimal nutrient uptake in the stomach and small intestine. Next, optimizing your digestion is crucial. A balanced diet, rich in fiber, lean protein, and healthy fats, provides the necessary building blocks for efficient absorption. Incorporating fermented foods like yogurt or kimchi introduces beneficial bacteria, enhancing gut health. Remember to drink plenty of water, around 8 glasses daily, as hydration is essential for nutrient transport and overall digestive function. These practices create an ideal environment for your body to absorb vital nutrients. Supporting your gut health is another key step. A healthy gut microbiome is fundamental for nutrient absorption. Probiotic supplements can help maintain a balanced gut flora, especially after antibiotic use. Stress can negatively impact digestion, so practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation. Furthermore, reducing processed foods and excessive sugar intake helps prevent inflammation, allowing your gut to function optimally and absorb nutrients more effectively. Finally, a holistic lifestyle significantly impacts nutrient absorption. Regular physical activity, even a brisk 30-minute walk daily, can improve gut motility and blood flow to digestive organs. Prioritize adequate sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours each night, as rest supports cellular repair and digestive processes. Eating mindfully, without distractions, helps you recognize your body's signals, preventing overeating and aiding digestion. These habits collectively enhance your body's ability to absorb nutrients.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.